Hi mga kawawmat, in this video, we will discuss finding the equation of a line given the x and y intercepts. So our objective is we're going to find the equation of a line given the x and y intercept. So eto naman, kapag ang given natin ay yung x at y intercept, makukuha pa rin ba natin ang equation of the line? Yes. Okay, so I have here the table in finding the equation of a line depende po sa ating given. So, kung ang given mo ay slope at y-intercept, then you will use slope-intercept form. Kung ang given mo naman ay isang point at is slope, then you will be using point-slope form. Kapag 2 points naman, you're going to use 2-point form. And this time, since ang given natin ay x-intercept at y-intercept, then we will be using the intercept form, which is x over a plus y over b is equal to 1. So, ito po ang ating intercept form. But remember that your a should not be equal to 0 as well as your b. So, dapat yung a at b natin hindi siya mag-equal sa 0 kasi mag-undefine yon. Okay? So, ito po ang mga formulas in finding the equation of a line. So, nandito na po tayo sa intercept form. So, uploaded na po. Pwede nyo pong panoorin yung itong 3 previous videos natin. Ito po siya, uploaded na po ito. Kung naghahanap po kayo nitong tatlo, uploaded na po siya. Okay? So, in this video tutorial, we will focus on the x-intercept and y-intercept, which is the intercept form. So, yun po ang gagamitin natin this time. Okay. So, when the two intercepts of the line with coordinates a0 for the x-intercept and 0b for the y-intercept, the required equation is x over a plus y over b is equal to 1. And remember, your a and b should not be equal to 0. Okay. So, ito po, kapag ang given natin ay yung ito, yung nasa x coordinate, tapos 0 yung y mo, then this is your x-intercept, which is represented as a. Okay? And then, kapag ang may ordered pair kayo, tapos 0 yung x coordinate, tapos ang given lang po ay yung y coordinate, then that is your y-intercept. So, your y-intercept is actually your value kapag ang x-coordinate mo ay 0. Ganun din po sa x-intercept. So, x-intercept ang tawag natin sa given natin dito sa rational number na ibibigay dito, kung ang y-coordinate mo ay 0. Okay? So, ayun po. So, this time, we will be using the intercept form kasi given ng ating x-intercept at y-intercept. So, dun sa mga previous videos natin, given ng slope at point, given ng slope at y-intercept, given ng 2 points. Now, this time, intercepts pareho ang given. So, ito naman ang gagamitin natin kapag ang binigay o ang tinatanong ay equation of the line given the intercepts. So, tatandaan na ang x-intercept natin, that is your a, and then your y-intercept, that is your b. Okay, so let's start. So, write the equation of the line whose x-intercept is negative 4 and y-intercept is negative 9. So, again, ang una nating i-identify muna ay yung mga given natin. Ano ba ang mga given? Your x-intercept is negative 4, your y-intercept is negative 9. And then, so sabi ko nga, ang x-intercept natin, that is your a, and y-intercept, that is your b. Okay, so gamitin natin yung ating intercept form. Again, this is our intercept form. Okay, so your a, substitute lang natin. So your a is, what is your a? Your x-intercept, that is negative 4. And then your y, which is your y-intercept, I mean your b, which is your y-intercept, that is negative 9. Okay, so paano natin to isusolve? So we will be using the LCD. Okay, what is the LCD? So, dapat sanay na tayo kung paano kunin ang LCD ha, or kung nahihirapan pa rin, pwede nyo balikan yung mga previous video natin na paulit-ulit natin kinukuha ang LCD. Okay, so paano kukunin ang LCD? So, pwede ka mag-skip counting. So, skip counting ka ng 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. And then ito, 9, 18, 27, 36. So, kung saan sila magmi-meet. Okay? Kung saan sila unang magmi-meet. So, nag-meet sila sa 36. Therefore, our LCD is 36. Okay. But the question is, bakit negative ang ginamit ko? Bakit hindi 36? Bakit negative 36? Okay? So, lagi mo titingnan itong first term mo. Since negative ito, tingnan mabuti ha, kapag negative ito, automatic yung equation mo, magre-result niya negative yung unahan. Eh, di ba, as much as possible, ang ating first term dapat positive. Okay? So, dapat positive ang ating first term, yung dito, yung una. So, since nakita mo dito na negative, malalaman mo na dyan pa lang na ang first term mo ay negative. So, dapat positive, no? So, ang ginawa ko, yung LCD ko na 36, ginawa ko siyang negative 36. Bakit? Kasi negative times negative, magpa-positive siya. Okay? So, ito po ang importante natin. So, kapag nakita nyo dito palang negative, so, ibig sabihin, malalaman nyo kagad na yung first term mo, mag-negative yan. So, yung LCD ko, ginawa ko siyang negative 36 para mag-positive. Kasi negative times negative, magiging positive siya. Okay? So, let us solve. So, ganito ba ang gagawin? Divide natin by the denominator. So, 36 divided by 4, that is 9. Okay, so 9 siya. And then yung sagot na makukuha mo dito, yung quotient, ita-times natin sa numerator. So kung 9 ito, 9 times x, that is 9x. Okay, and then plus, ito naman tayo, 36 divided by 9, that is 4. Okay, so 4 times y, that is 4y. Okay po. Now, this is 1 times negative 36. So, ito po ay negative 36. Okay. So, therefore, this is now the equation of the line in standard form. So, another way is pwede ka mag-cross dito. Okay? Pwede ka mag-cross. Kung ayaw mong gumamit ng LCD, pwede mo i-cross to. So, 9 times x, 9x. Okay? And then 4 times y, 4y. Okay? So, pwede rin naman po iyon. Okay, so ito po siya. So therefore, this is the equation of the line in standard form. So ito na po ang equation of the line natin. Now, sabi ko nga, kung ang hinihingi sa question ay equation lang naman, then pwede na to, naka-standard form. Pero kung ang hinihingi ay write the equation in slope-intercept form, then you have to rewrite this into slope-intercept form. So paano yun? I'm giving you two options ha. So, kung wala namang hinihingi na specific na form, then ito, pwede na po ito. Okay? Pero kung ang hinihingi sa atin ay slope-intercept form, paano natin gagawin? So, copy natin si 9x plus 4y equals negative 36. So, anong gagawin natin? Ang slope-intercept form ay y equals mx plus b. So, y equals mx plus b. So, ito yung y, ito yung b. So, itong x dapat nandito sa right side. So, ililipat natin ito si 9x sa right side. Okay? So, sabi ko nga, tuwing maglilipat tayo ng ating term, mag-change tayo ng sign pag tumawid siya sa equal sign. So, lilipat siya. So, tumawid siya dito, lumampas siya. So, mag-change tayo ng sign. So, ang may iwan na lang dito sa left side of the equation is 4y equals, nilipat natin to, so from positive magiging negative 9x and then bring down negative 36. You're not going to change the sign of negative 36. Why? Hindi naman natin siya nilipat. Nasa right side pa rin siya. Okay? So we now have 4y is equal to negative 9x minus 36. So kailangan y equals mx plus b ang ating slope-intercept form. So since hindi pa to y, kasi meron pa tayong coefficient dito na more than 1. So, para mawala ito si 4, makancel natin at maging 1, divide natin siya by 4. Kasi 4 divide 4, magiging 1 siya. Okay? So, y na lang. So, kung ano po yung dinivide natin dito, ganun din sa right side. So, makakancel na natin si 4. Ano na lang naiwan? 1 na lang. So, ayan na siya, y na lang. So, since 1 na lang, hindi na natin ilalagay si 1 dyan. So, y na lang po. Is equal to, hindi natin pwedeng i-divide si 9 over 4 at wala rin silang common common factor. So, hindi natin siya ma-divide. So, ayan na po siya. Negative 9 over 4x. So, yung negative natin, ilalagay na lang natin siya sa gitna. And then this one, since pwede pa nating i-divide ito, 36 divide 4, that is 9. Okay, so pag pwedeng i-divide, i-divide natin. Pag hindi, pag pwede i-lowest term natin. Pag hindi na po, then that is your final answer. Okay, so ito pwede pa, so 36 divide 4, that is 9. Okay, bakit minus? Kasi negative, positive, negative siya. So, dito tayo magbe-base palagi. So, negative, positive, negative, negative, positive, negative. Okay. So, therefore, this is the equation of the line in slope-intercept form. So, kapag ang hinihingi ay as the slope-intercept form, ganito po ang gagawin. Okay? Kapag wala namang hinihingi at ito ang nakuha mo, then ito na po. No need to rewrite this into slope-intercept form. Okay? Let's have the next one. Okay, let's have the next one. So, write the equation of the line whose x-intercept is 7 and y-intercept is negative 2. So, identify muna natin ulit ang given. Your x-intercept is 7, your y-intercept is negative 2. So, ayun po ang ating A. At ito naman ang ating B. Using the intercept form, ito ang ating intercept form, lagi po siyang equals to 1. So, our A is, substitute na natin yung ating mga intercepts. So, your A, your x-intercept is 7. Your y-intercept is negative 2. Okay? So, ganun ulit. Kunin ang LCD. So, ano ang LCD natin dito? 14. Okay? So, since positive ito, positive 14. Hindi kagaya kanina sa previous slide natin, ang ginamit ko is negative. Kasi negative yung unahan. So, ito positive naman siya. So, positive na po ang ating LCD. So, ganun din po sa kabila. Okay? So, 14 divided by 7, that is 2. Yung quotient natin dito, ita-times natin dito sa numerator. So, 14 divided by 7, 2 times x, that is 2x. Okay? And then, 14 divided by negative 2. So, magne-negative tayo dito kasi magkaiba sila ng sign, ha? So, 14 divided by negative 2, that is negative 7. So, negative 7 times y, kaya negative 7y siya. Ayun po, negative 7y. And then this one, 1 times 14, that is 14. Okay. Now, so again, pwede ka nga mag-cross multiply dito. So, x times negative 2, that is negative 2x. And then 7 times y, that is 7y. So, since magne-negative ka nga, so i-change mo lahat yon, positive, negative, positive. Okay, so pwede ka rin cross para mas mabilis. Pwede rin yon. But I am showing you this para masanay tayo na ganun po. So, divide and then multiply. Okay? So, since wala tayong problema, positive na yung unahan, so therefore, this is the equation of the line in standard form. Standard form siya kasi naka-ax plus by equals c siya. Okay? So, kung ang hinihingi po ay slope-intercept form, so paano gagawin? Lilipat natin ito kasi dapat y equals mx plus b. So, lipat natin to sa right side. So, ang may iwan na lang dito ay negative 7y is equal to, lilipat natin to from positive, magiging negative 2x plus 14. Okay? So, para maging 1 ito, divide natin si negative 7 by negative 7. Okay. So, makakancel na ito ngayon. So, ano na lang may iwan dito? 1 na siya. So, y na lang. Okay? And then this one, since we cannot divide this at hindi rin siya pwede i-lowest term, so ito na po siya. So, 2 over 7. Bakit nag-positive dito? Kasi negative divided by negative, that is positive. That is our rule. And then, 14. Ito pwede i-divide. So, 14 divide 7, that is 2. Minus dito, nag-negative siya kasi positive divided by negative, negative. Okay? So, therefore, this is the equation of the line. If you are asked to rewrite it or ang hinihingi sa equation ay slope-intercept form. Okay? Next, write the equation of the line whose x-intercept is 2/3 and y-intercept is 1/2. So, paano kapag fraction? So, ganito po ang gagawin natin. So, your x-intercept, given that is your A, and then your y-intercept, that is your B. So, using the intercept form, lagay natin si A, which is 2/3. Lagay natin si Y, si B. Si B, yung y-intercept natin, which is 1/2. Okay. So, paano ito kapag may fraction? So, ang una muna natin gagawin, simplify muna natin ito. Okay? So, paano? So, x, copy nyo yung numerator, get the reciprocal of your denominator, so that will become 3/2, and then proceed to multiplication. So, kapag meron tayong ganito, yung fraction na yung numerator at denominator mo ay fraction din, so, ganito po gagawin. Kung ito ay fraction, basta copy lang po yung ating numerator. Kahit ano pa to. So, lagi lang copy ang numerator. Ang importante dito is kukunin natin ang reciprocal ng ating denominator, so that will become 3/2, and then proceed to multiplication. So, we now have x times 3, 3x over 2. Okay? So, x times 3, 3x over 2. So, ito na ngayon ang magiging part natin dito. Now, ito naman sa right side. So, ganun ulit. Copy your numerator, reciprocal ng denominator. So, 1/2 magiging 2/1. And then, proceed to multiplication. So, magiging y times 2, that is 2y over 1. Okay? So, ano na magiging equation natin? So, magkakaroon na tayo ng 3x over 2 plus 2y. So, yung over 1, hindi na natin ilalagay ha. Pero, isipin pa rin natin na may over 1 dyan. Yun nga lang, hindi na po yan isinusulat. Okay? So, ang magiging equation na natin, since na-solve na natin to, that is 3x over 2 and then 2y na lang po. So, ang goal kasi natin dito is ma-eliminate natin, matanggal tong fraction na to. So, sinimplify muna natin siya. Okay? Now, kunin na natin ang LCD. Anong LCD? 2. Kasi 'di ba may over 1 dyan. So, ang LCD natin is 2. So, 2 divided by 2, that is 1. 1 times 3x, that is still 3x. So, positive, plus tayo dito. And then, since walang i-divide, 'di ba? So, ibig sabihin, multiply na to agad. Kapag may denominator, doon tayo magdi-divide and then multiply sa numerator. But since in this case, wala siyang denominator, so ang gagawin po natin dito is multiply na po agad. So, 2 times 2y, that is 4y. And then, 2 times 1, that is 2. Okay, so we now have the equation of the line, 3x plus 4y equals 2 in standard form. So, this is the equation of the line in standard form if your x-intercept is 2/3 and your y-intercept is 1/2. Okay, so how are we going to rewrite this into slope-intercept form? Just in case na ang hinihinging equation ay dapat slope-intercept form. So, copy your equation, 3x plus 4y equals 2. Lipat natin ito. So, lilipat natin siya dapat dito kasi y equals mx plus p. So, dito dapat. Yan. So, since tumawid siya sa equal sign, mag-change tayo dito ng sign. So, from positive, magiging negative. Tama? So, may iwan na lang sa left side ng ating equation ay 4y. And then ito, positive, magiging negative. And then bring down 2, which is positive. Now, for us to cancel itong 4, so we need to divide this into 4 para maging 1. Okay, so makakancel na po si 4. Ang maiiwan na lang natin is y. And then, we cannot divide this. Hindi na siya pwedeng i-divide at naka-lowest term naman na siya. So, ito na po siya, 3/4 na po. But since different sign ito, negative, positive, so magni-negative tayo dito sa ating slope. Okay? So, negative 3/4. And then, 2 divided by 4, ito po ay pwedeng, hindi siya pwedeng i-divide, pero pwede siya i-lowest term. Diba? So, magiging 1/2. Okay. So, therefore, the equation of the line is y is equal to negative 3/4 x plus 1/2. This is the equation of the line in slope-intercept form. Let's have the next one. Okay. So, write the equation of the line whose x-intercept is 3/4 and y-intercept is negative 2/5. So, same ito nung previous slide, no? Fraction pa rin ang given. So, x-intercept and y-intercept. This is your A, this is your B. So, using the intercept form, substitute natin si 3/4 sa A at si negative 2/5 sa B. So, ganun ulit ang gagawin. Copy your numerator and then get the reciprocal of your denominator. So, magiging 4/3. So, x times 4, that is 4x over 3. So, eto na siya. And then dito sa right side natin, copy your numerator and then the reciprocal of your denominator. So, 5 over 2. Take note of your sign kasi negative ito, so negative. And then proceed to multiplication. So, we now have y times 5, that is 5y over 2. Negative siya kasi different signs. So, positive, negative, negative. Okay. So, ibig sabihin, ang equation na natin ay 4x over 3 minus, kasi this is negative, so minus 5y over 2 is equal to 1. Okay. So, pwede na natin kunin ng LCD. What is the LCD? The LCD is 6. Okay. So, 6 divided by 3, that is 2. Yung quotient niya, 2 times 4x, that is 8x. Minus tayo. And then, 6 divided by 2, that is 3. 3, yung quotient niya, 3 times 5y, that is 15y. Okay, so take note of your, sign. So, minus tayo dyan. And then, 6 times 1 or 1 times 6, that is 6. So, again, pwede ka nga dito cross. Okay, so 4x times 2, that is 8x. And then 3 times 5y, that is 15y. Pwede rin po yun. Okay, so we now have the equation of the line 8x minus 15y equals 6 in standard form if your x-intercept is 3/4 and your y-intercept is negative 2/5. Okay, so kung ang hinihingi ay slope-intercept form, sige, paggawin natin. 8x minus 5y equals 6. So, we need to eliminate this here sa left side of the equation. So, dapat mawala to. So, lipat siya dito. Okay? So, mag-change siya ng sign from positive magiging negative. So, mag-iiwan na lang sa left side ay si negative 15y is equal to magiging negative 8x plus 6. Okay. Now, so, negative 15y is equal to negative 8x plus 6. So, kailangan ma-eliminate natin ito maging 1. So, para maging 1, divide natin siya by negative 15 para maging 1. So, makakancel na siya. 1 na lang ang matitira dyan. Kasi negative 15 divided by negative 15, that is 1. Okay, so y na lang po. Now, ito, since hindi na natin ito pwedeng i-divide at hindi siya malo-lowest term, so, 8 over 15x na tayo. And then, negative, negative, positive siya. Okay? Take note po palagi sa ating signs lagi pong titingnan ng mga signs. So, negative, negative, positive. Now, this time, ito, we cannot divide this, but we can get the lowest term. So, pwede natin kukunin pa ang lowest term nito. So, 6 divide 3. Pwede siya i-divide pareho by 3. 6 divide 3 is 2. 15 divide 3 is 5. Now, so 2/5 tayo dito. Positive, negative, kaya siya negative dito. So, minus. Okay? So, therefore, the equation of the line in slope-intercept form is y equals 8 over 15x minus 2/5 if the given x-intercept is 3/4 and y-intercept is negative 2/5. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo for more video tutorials. This is your guide in learning your math lessons, your Wow Math channel.